So on this video we will be developing randomness. What does that mean? Okay, if you watched the last episode, you will notice I taught something about playing just these three notes. Right? So I taught something about just improvising with these three notes. Now, how is it that improvising comes natural to me? It is for one simple reason. I know I can't make a mistake. Literally, you can hold any chord, and as long as it is just do, re, mi, you're playing, or any other note in the pentatonic scale, you can't make a mistake. Imagine me, watch me. Actually playing rubbish. I could not make a mistake. It was still improvisation. As long as you keep your chord progression in your left going, there's nothing you can do on your right to make a mistake. There's nothing. You try making a mistake, you can't. Now, that wasn't very pleasant, but then it wasn't wrong. Now, if you want to make it pleasant, you breathe. Imagine talking. At some point, you stop to breathe. So you're improvising. Breathe. Keep talking. So it's about release, withdraw, release and withdraw. So you don't keep talking and you don't relax or too much. Basically, that's what improvisation is all about. Then at some point you can add a trill. I called it rush, but it's called a trill. So I didn't get it, but I'll get it done. Better on the high side. I'll do it again. Watch me. I missed it again. I'll try again. Okay, that's it. Let's try again. That's a grace note. So basically, in this level, try perfecting your randomness on just these three notes, and then try adding these trills. So you do miri, 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 do. Or you can even do miri, 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 mi, or mi, and end on re. Or you can do do, re, do, re, mi. That fast movement can only be done with these two fingers. So if you want to do re, do, re, mi, you bring them. Sorry. That's the end of this level. See you in the next level.